Do you have gray hair and you're using one of those bluing shampoos or purple shampoos to try to keep it from being so brassy and a little ugly? Well, I've done that for years because I've been going gray, obviously. And the thing I'm most excited about is this. Let me show you why this worked for me. I just want you to look at this. These ends, they're no longer orangey or brassy. It's kind of amazing. And I used the blue Colorista 5 months ago, and I used the purple Colorista 4 months ago, and I haven't colored it since, other than the what I'll show you that I put in my shampoo. But this is pretty amazing that there's no brassiness at all. It's smooth, it's behaving. So I don't know, maybe this is a trick for people who have gray hair. You don't mind it being like a little vibrant for a week or so. Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. Once I decided to go gray, it was a very long process. I have numerous videos on my channel showing products that I tried to cover up the gray while it was growing out. Eventually I got to this point here where there was a lot of brassiness on the ends from the old dye that wouldn't come out because my hair was so dry, and then the gray on the top. Strangely enough, I got a lot of compliments on my hair when it looked like that. People asked if I did it on purpose, but I didn't really like it. So I dyed my hair blue. There's a video link. I'll link all these videos in the text below. I dyed my hair using Colorista, using the blue dye. It looks more purple than blue, and that's what I suspected. I really wanted to dye this for my powerlifting meet in about, what, I think it's 11 days, 12 days, something like that. I usually put a little purple tint on it, and I saw this and thought, that might be kind of purplish. Here goes, right? Ah! The Colorista blue dye looked a little bit purple when I first started using it, but the Colorista product is so easy to use. It has no odor, it didn't drip, I didn't even have to use the entire tube, and the color lasted a little bit longer than was expected. Now, it did give me a vibrant color, but it conditioned my hair, and when most of it washed out, I was surprised to learn that the brassiness was mostly gone from the ends, which was a very pleasant surprise. So I decided to do some more testing with the Colorista. I'll show you at the end of this video how I use it as a toner for my regular shampoo and conditioner. But I'm always experimenting with my hair. If it falls out, it'll come back. Maybe. Maybe not. It has so far. It's blue. It's blue. After most of the blue wore off, I decided to try with the purple Colorista. Super thick, easy to apply. Again, no problems applying it. It's easy to apply, no drippage. Colorista doesn't have any peroxide in it. It's a semi-permanent hair color, so it doesn't damage your hair. If you don't want to have the bright colors like I'm getting with mine, then maybe you can just apply less, or you can apply a mixture of conditioner and the Colorista dye on your hair and leave it for a little while and see if that will get some of the brassiness out. I've tried a lot of purple shampoos and purple conditioners, and I'll try to remember to link those in the text below, but they're all on my channel. You can search for them on my channel. And this, using the Colorista products, even though I get like a wildly colored hair for, for a couple of weeks, it just takes care of the brassiness after everything's all over. As after washing it and blow drying it, I have not styled it or put any product on it at all. It feels very smooth and very conditioned. I actually missed a spot right here, so it didn't pick up a lot of the purple, but it took it. Looks like I missed a spot there too, but that's okay. Remember, this is just, it was brownish before I put the blue Colorista on it. So it picked up more of the purple than I expected. We'll see how it fades out. So if you've got gray hair and you've got that brassiness problem, this is what my hair looks like when the purple and blue faded out. It just left it with really and truly the nice silver gray white sheen that I was looking for with the purple toning shampoos. I've tried the blue and the purple, and I'm going to try the pink tonight. I just used some of the blue or the purple and squirt it into my, right now I'm using the Pantene Moisture Renewal. It does really best on my hair. I just squirt some of the color in and shake it up, and it gives me the purple shampoo and conditioner. That I want. Didn't put quite as much into the conditioner. You can see that in there. It's a little bit lighter. I could put some more in there. The conditioner is going to stay on my hair a little bit longer, so perhaps I could put it a little bit darker. That's what I'm doing now, and it really, really works well. Very happy. In my opinion, that much of the Colorista and the Pantene does not change the performance of either of the hair products. I get really good results from the shampoo and the conditioner. Thanks for watching my video about the Colorista for gray hair. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate, and I bet you know somebody who can use this information. And until next time, let's just try to keep each other looking as good as possible. If you have time before you go watch another video, thanks so much. Bye.